What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO Gold Union Pay credit card. Pag-uusapan natin guys yung possible credit limit ng credit card nito at saka yung perks and benefits kung ano yung kagandahan guys kumbaga kapag kayo ay BDO Gold Union Pay credit card holder. Kasi bawat credit card ay may kanya-kanyang purpose or perks and benefits kaya naman i-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung meron sa BDO Gold Union Pay credit card. At saka pag-uusapan din natin guys yung annual fee, kung magkano yung annual fee niya per year, and then yung fees and charges kasi guys, bawat credit card ay may kanya-kanyang fees and charges kaya naman dapat maging aware kayo doon. Kaya naman i-share ko siya ngayon kung ano yung dapat yung tandaan para hindi kayo magulat kung bakit may ganun, bakit may ganyan. At saka kung paano mag-earn ng points sa BDO Gold Union Pay credit card. At saka pag-uusapan din natin guys yung application requirements, kung magkano yung income requirements sa BDO Gold Union Pay credit card kapag nag-apply kayo para ma-approve kayo. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So ngayon guys, to answer that question, kung magkano yung possible credit limit ng BDO Gold Union Pay credit card, to answer that question, yung minimum credit limit niya is nasa 75,000 pero kaka-issue pa lang is pwede nang umabot ng 100,000 pesos. Depende po siya sa assessment ng bangko kung kayo ba ay qualified sa amount na yon. Nakadepende kung paano kayo magbayad ng previous loans ninyo or utang. Kaya naman nakadepende kung magkano yung ibibigay nilang initial credit limit sa credit card ninyo. Pero yung minimum niya guys is 75,000 pesos. Pero una pa lang pwedeng umabot ng 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, even million. Depende nga siya sa sinabi ko sa record ninyo or sa credit history ninyo. Kaya naman alagaan nyo yung credit card ninyo. Huwag na huwag kayo magpapadelay sa mga pagbayad. Para at least yung masubmit na report ng bank sa Credit Card Information Corporation is positive siya. Hindi mamroblema yung pangalan ninyo. So as you can see guys, yan po yung BDO Gold Union Pay na sinasabi ko. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Gold Union Pay, your best travel companion in Asia. Ayan si ate girl, masayang-masaya siya sa buhay niya. Get savings with the best travel companion in Asia. Enjoy year-round deals and discounts for your in-store, online, and overseas spend. Get travel insurance coverage of up to 10 million pesos. Charge your airline and other transportation tickets to your card and explore the world without worries. So, kailangan guys, kapag bumili kayo ng ticket, airplane ticket, or kahit ano mga adventures dan, dapat yung gamit yung credit card is yung BDO Gold Union Pay credit card para makovered kayo ng free insurance nila. Earn peso rewards on your spend. Receive peso points for your everyday, everywhere purchases. So, ngayon, pag-uusapan natin yung BDO Peso Rewards. Kung paano mag-earn yung Gold Union Pay credit card ng Peso Rewards. Ayan, nakikita nyo guys, shop for free with BDO Peso Rewards. Kasi yung rewards guys is pwede siyang i-convert into shopping credits. Good as cash po siya. Use your BDO credit card Peso Points. Redeem credit card Peso Points earned from your everyday, everywhere purchases. Ways to enjoy credit card Peso Points is cash credit, tulad ng sabi ko. Convert to cash credit as payment for your credit card balance or use as extra funds for your shopping. Transfer to your BDO Rewards card and use as payment when you shop at SM Store and SM Retail Stores. Shop for EGCs via BDOdeals.giveaway.ph. So alam niyo ba guys, sa BDO Pay, pwede nyo i-activate yung BDO Rewards doon. Kung kayo ay credit card holder, automatic may BDO Rewards card. Kayo, virtual yon, wala siyang physical card. I-activate nyo lang. So, bawat transact ninyo using BDO Pay, magkaka-earn kayo ng points, which is good as cash siya. Then, pwede nyo gamitin yung BDO Rewards na yon as mode of payment sa Scan to Pay ni BDO Pay para makapagbayad kayo gamit yung earned rewards ninyo sa credit card. How do I earn under this program? You earn 1 credit card Peso Points for every 1,000 qualified transactions. So, bakit qualified transaction? Kasi hindi pwede dito yung niloan nyo yung pera, nag-cash advance kayo, hindi po qualified yun. Yung bumili lang kayo sa isang store, tapos na-charge yung credit card ninyo, hindi bababa sa 1,000 pesos, automatic, 1 credit card Peso Point agad yun. So, nandito guys, for example, your 2021 spend earns you 2 Peso Points, which is equivalent to 2 pesos. Qualified foreign currency transactions also earn credit card Peso Points, earn twice as much, get 2 times credit card Peso Points for every 1,000 qualified spend as a special offer for 2025. So, ito guys, yung offer na to is tuloy-tuloy lang naman siya sa experience ko. Kasi 3 years na akong credit card holder, hindi naman nawawala. Every credit card purchase ko, 2 points yung kinikredit sa account ko. Kaya naman sabi ko, baka tuloy-tuloy lang to. Nilalagyan lang nila ng year kasi baka malay mo bigla magbago yung isip nila, biglang tapusin, parang ganun. Pero sa experience ko, 3 years na, tuloy-tuloy na yung 1,000 pesos is 2 peso point yung na-earn ko. So why choose BDO Gold Union Pay? Free membership fee, enjoy wave membership fee for the first 3 years. So ito yung kinagandahan sa Gold Union Pay credit card ni BDO guys, is 3 years siyang free annual fee. Ibig sabihin, kapag nag-apply kayo ngayon tapos na-approve, on the 3rd anniversary pa kayo matcha-charge ng annual fee. O diba, laking tipid, 3 years din siya. So ngayon guys, move on tayo sa fees and charges ni BDO Gold Union Pay credit card. So dito guys, nakikita nyo, ang dami niya, diba? Pero pipiliin lang natin dyan yung importante. Ayan, nakikita nyo, credit cards, table of fees and charges. Ayan, nakikita nyo guys, gold cards, 200 pesos per month. Tapos, yung supplementary niya is 100 pesos per month. So ito guys, good thing is monthly yung charge sa BDO Gold Union Pay credit card, which is hindi siya ganun kabigat sa bulsa na hindi babagsak yung buong 2,400 sa loob ng isang taon. 200 pesos per month siya. Tapos ito yung monthly interest rate, 3% kapag nag-purchase kayo tapos hindi nyo nabayaran ng buo yung statement balance ninyo, 3% yung ipapatong sa next billing cycle. Tapos installment availment fee is 200 pesos for every approved cash installment transaction. 250 pesos for every approved balance transfer transactions. 250 pesos for every approved balance convert peso transaction. The next guys is yung cash advance fee, 200 pesos. So kapag nag-cash advance kayo, bawat transaction 200 pesos yon. Late payment charge is 850 pesos or $20 or unpaid minimum amount due, whichever is lower. Last card or replacement fee, halimbawa nagka-problema sa card niyo, nawala, nasira, ganon. 400 pesos yung replacement fee ng credit card ni BDO. Then yung refund fee guys, halimbawa nag-overpayment kayo tapos gusto nyong ipa-refund, 1% siya of the amount to be refunded or 100 pesos, whichever is higher. Halimbawa, hindi umabot ng 100 pesos, yung 1% ng ipapa-refund ninyo, automatic 100 pesos siya. It's because whichever is higher. Then ngayon guys, move on tayo sa application requirements ni BDO Gold Union Pay credit card. Nandito nakita nyo, check your qualifications. 21 to 60 years old for principal and at least 13 years old for supplementary card holders. Applicant must be a Filipino citizen or a foreigner who is a resident of the Philippines. Then ngayon guys, let's talk about its income requirement. Magkano nga ba yung income requirement ni BDO Gold Union Pay credit card? As you can see guys, 33,000 pesos siya per month. Then ngayon, yung kailangan yung i-provide ng mga documents is, of course, yung proof of identification for both primary and supplementary applicant. Ngayon, kailangan din yung proof of income, of course. Hindi mawawala yung proof of income, guys. Employed applicants, photocopy of latest income tax return or ITR, duly stamped as received by the Bureau of Internal Revenue, mandatory. Para naman sa mga self-employed applicants, yung may mga sariling business or negosyo, photocopy of latest income tax return, ITR, duly stamped as received by the Bureau of Internal Revenue, and audited financial statements for at least 2 years, mandatory. Pangalawa is photocopy of registration of business name, mandatory. DTI registration for single proprietorship or SEC registration for partnership corporation. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ako. It's me again, Joseph Kate. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!